So you suddenly get a much bigger electric charge in the mitochondria. Remember, we might have thousands of these in any given cell, and the mitochondria is then at risk of damage. You won't be surprised to know that the body has lots and lots of clever ways for dealing with this, but boy, do we give our bodies a lot of challenges. We don't always help our bodies when it comes to managing proton motive force. And of course, that's partly because we don't always understand. For me, understanding something is the beginning of learning how to think about managing it. So one of the things the body does is it allows a little bit of proton leak across the membrane, which it's sort of not supposed to happen, but luckily the body it can manage a little bit of proton leak. And actually when the proton force is so high within that membrane space that some of the protons have to leak across, then actually that's a little bit of a signal to the body. It tells the body, we're in trouble here, guys. She's actually been watching this box set for 3 hours, and if she doesn't move soon, we are going to be in trouble. Don't let her go to the freezer and get the ice cream. So that's sort of that's what's going on here. And what happens then? Those protons elicit a small amount of antioxidant response in the cell. So the body's there with a little bit of first aid going, hopefully she'll move in a minute, but in the meantime, we'll just see if we can manage some of these protons. Okay, and then of course, you actually decide you're going to watch episode 4. So at this point, we're really talking mitochondrial overload. So even those of you who are healthy may well have had a smoothie, you might have had several handfuls of nuts, but you're not having a very good day, so you haven't done much exercise. But it doesn't matter because you're not doing much exercise, so you want to be healthy. So you might have another smoothie, because that's healthy, isn't it? And then before you know it, your body is dealing with so much energy in and not enough energy coming out. And